Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to avoid overdrafts on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so let's just jump straight into it. The first thing you can do is to set up overdraft protection. So set up overdraft protection for your Simple account, and this transfers funds from a linked account to cover overdraft. So you can use that to avoid overdrafts on Simple. You can also just make sure to monitor your account balances. So just monitor your account balances regularly, and this is going to help you to notice when you have low balance. You can just check your accounts regularly, and just going to help you out just to avoid overdraft. You could also choose to set up low balance alerts. So by setting up low balance alert for your Simple account, it's going to notify you when your account balance falls below a certain threshold, and that way you'll be able to respond on time. And you can also avoid overdrafts by simply keeping a cushion. So avoid overdrafts by keeping a cushion in your accounts. That's you can just keep a small amount of funds in your account, and that's going to help you to cover unexpected expenses. That's pretty much it on how to avoid overdrafts on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys